In order to start accepting payments inside of your Magento Go store, you'll need to set up and understand the payment methods that are available to you. In order to do that, let's go up to the Start My Store link here and go down to the payment options. And inside of payments, you'll notice you have 3 tabs that you can access. The first one is set up PayPal Express Checkout. And PayPal Express Checkout basically means that users will be able to pay you directly using PayPal or via MasterCard, Visa, Discover, or American Express. It'll tell you that when you receive your first PayPal payment, they'll let you know and guide you through the simple account setup so you can enjoy the benefits of Express Checkout, which basically means as soon as someone buys something from your store, you will see an email come to the inbox of the email address that you chose while you were setting up your account here, and you will be able to then be guided through the process of receiving said payment. You can also enter in your PayPal payment email address right here. If this is different from the email address in which you signed up for Magento Go with, then simply take this email address, delete it, and enter in a new email address in that field and click Update. It also tells you that for your convenience, they've automatically enabled PayPal Express Checkout. If this is something you don't want people to be allowed to pay you via PayPal, you want to use some other form of checkout system, whether it be authorized.net or some other form of payment gateway, then you can disable PayPal Express Checkout by clicking right here. And it will automatically disable it, meaning it's no longer active, and you'll see an enable button right there. If you ever want to turn that back on, you can simply enable it and turn it right back on. So from here, I can click out, and when I go back to Start My Store and go down to Payments, you'll notice that if I choose PayPal Express one more time, it is not enabled anymore, and I can go back to set up anything else. I also have other payment options. If I click Other Payment Options here, it'll tell you that there are a number of different payment options that they accept here with Magento Go, and they also allow you to accept credit cards directly on your site. All of these options do require you to create an account with a so-called payment provider and then configure your store to work with that account. Now, I'll be going over all of the different payment gateways that are supported in another movie, but just know that there are several available to you, including PayPal, authorized.net, and several others that you can use to accept payments directly inside of your Magento Go store. From here, you will simply go to Continue. Once you're inside of the next screen, you will see all of the different payment methods that you're able to set up, including PayPal, Sage Pay, check or money order. There are all kinds of options available to you, including an ever-popular one, authorized.net. We'll be going through several of these individually in some upcoming movies, so don't worry about that. I am going to cover PayPal as well as authorized.net and also Google Checkout as well. Once you set up your payment gateway, all you have to do is click Save Config, and it will automatically save that, and you can then begin accepting your payments directly on your website.